been a little trying, a little troubling. There's a lot to take in.
It's become a common trek for the Fletcher family, making trip after trip to the dumpster. Their home in Bloomington was in the line of Thursday night's tornado. We saw them throwing away parts of their fence.
There's a lot of superficial damage. Our backyard took a huge hit. Some of our neighbors weren't as fortunate. Some of them lost second stories. Some people lost whole sides of the house. The backyard's completely destroyed.
To help with debris removal, Monroe County Emergency Management put a series of dumpsters throughout the neighborhood. The National Weather Service says they were hit by an EF2 tornado with 120-mile-per-hour winds. It left a trail of damage nearly 4 miles long. Throughout the neighborhood, piles of downed trees and household materials can be seen lining the streets. The dumpsters are free for anyone who needs to get rid of debris.
It's been a huge help with not having to pay for a dumpster service, or having to, again, just finding a way to get rid of it. It's just here, so it's been very helpful.
And for folks who need to get rid of some debris, the county says these dumpsters will be out for at least the next 2 weeks. For William Fletcher and his 2 helpers, Reagan and Preston, they've cleaned up from the storms in the past, but say nothing like this.
To this magnitude, yes, this is new, but we've had storms that have been, I say, bad every couple of years.
In Bloomington, Howard Monroe, Fox 59 News.